welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am wearing glasses today. So I wanted to create a makeup tutorial with a makeup look that you can still wear while wearing glasses and still look cute at the same time, right? So this was really fun for me. I know I've had those days where I only wear glasses when I don't feel like getting ready, or it's one of those lazy days. But you know, you can still look cute while wearing makeup as well. You know, you just gotta go with a different shade, with the right shade, depending on the frames that you're wearing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. To see how I created this look, just keep on watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I already have my face moisturized, and I actually used the Origin Matte Moisturizer, which I just started using that one. It is so good. As soon as you put it in your face, you seriously start to just feel it working in your skin. And prime my face with the Ulta Matte Face Primer. So the best thing just happened to me. I just now, after months of recording, figured out how to focus my camera without having to stand up every 5 seconds. The best thing ever, because it literally takes me about 30 to 40 minutes just to figure out how to focus the camera myself, and then get back down real quick to make sure it's unfocused. So I just started using my computer. Things just got a lot easier for me. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty in the color Nutmeg. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 10. Starting with the eyeshadow primer. This one is from Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus. Oh, I went a little bit overboard. I'm gonna use my fingers instead. Alright, step it over. Now my frame isn't too big. I would say it's a medium size. So I still want my eyes to pop out and stand out. I'm going to use this Venetian color right here from NYX on my eyelids. I do want to enhance my eyes a little bit since my frame is a bit thicker, so I'm going to go in with a darker color in the crease area. So for that one, I'm going to start off by using the Morphe palette, the 9C palette, and I'm going to go in with, let's see. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Rich Girl. This is this color right here. Alright. add a touch of the hidden gem to the outer V right here. Dab that. Definitely, I'm not trying to get too much, just a little bit. I didn't line my eye with the e.l.f. black eyeliner. I don't want to make it too dramatic, so I'm just going to make a really thin line. You can see it's not too dramatic, so I'm just going to make a small little wing line. Go. Perfect. For my lower lash line, I'll go in with this black eyeliner. Cannot find my Lancome. So I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper.